Hi everyone, today we're going to see the dehydration of sugar using sulfuric acid. Here I've got 18 molar sulfuric acid. I'm going to pour 20 milliliters into this beaker. In the other beaker, what I have is 40 milliliters of regular granulated sugar. We're looking for signs of a chemical reaction. So right off the bat, I want you to think about if I'm dehydrating something, it means that there must be something occurring with water. If we're starting with sugar, it's got carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. We know the chemical formula for water is H2O, so we're essentially going to be pulling the hydrogen and oxygen out of the sugar and leaving behind the carbon. Since sulfuric acid also has sulfur in it, it's going to be producing a gas called sulfur dioxide. So during the demonstration, I'd like you to observe for signs of chemical change, chemical reaction. Temperature right now is about 31 degrees Celsius. We notice that there's a color change and there's some bubbles, some steam, some gas. It does have a smell to it. It's kind of like burning sugar or like burning maple syrup or burning raisins. The temperature right now is fluctuating. It went up to about 130 depending on where I'm pointing it. So the maximum was somewhere around 130 degrees Celsius. We can see this large column of carbon from the sugar rise up and out of the beaker. We could see steam, and that steam is going to include some of the water as well as the sulfur dioxide. Our temperature now at the bottom of the glass is about 50 degrees. On the column, it's up to about 130, and at the top, it's about 92 degrees, and that's Celsius. So we know that the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, which means that any water that's formed is very quickly being released as steam because it's well above that boiling point.